Zadham Jarmi says, while we were sitting in the company of Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu, Hazrat Abu Musa sent for his meal, which comprised chicken. A red complexioned man from Banu Taymullah, who resembled the slaves, came. Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu invited him, but he hesitated. Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu said, "Come on, I have seen Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam eating chicken." He said, "I saw a hen eating something filth, so I developed a repulsion against it. I then took an oath not to eat chicken." Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu said, "Come close, I tell you a hadith in this connection. I, accompanied by some Ashari fellows, visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in order to request him for some mounts. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not give you mounts, nor do I have any mounts.' So we stayed there as long as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed. Later, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was brought some camels of the booty. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam summoned us and granted us 5 white-humped camels. When we set off, our companions said to one another, 'We did not remind Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam of his oath. We will not be blessed regarding these camels.' We thereupon returned to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted. 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, did you forget your oath?' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I don't take an oath. But then if I find that its contrary is better, I, if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu so wills, will do that better thing, making atonement for my oath. So go, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has granted you the mounts.'" Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4241.